Why you have to go and leave me, baby? I always been your baby. Don't make a girl go crazy. I can't understand why you let me. What about me? What about you? What about us? What we gon' do? I don't know what to say. What about me? What about you? What about us? What we gon' do?
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. So you guys, y'all just saw me install this unit. This unit is from Zurffiy. I'm gonna still put it on the screen because I don't want to butcher their name. They are Amazon based. If you have Prime, then this would be 2-day free shipping for you. This wig is 36 inches in length and it's a boho box braid wig. 360 baby hairs and HD lace all the way around. This retails for $150, and y'all, I don't have time. I just don't have time to be going to the braid shop, sitting for hours, paying however much this costs to get it done when I just did this in like 10 minutes, okay? So I really like this unit. You could just really put it on and go. Just cut your lace, glue it down, and go. I typically will melt mine down. When I'm doing this part, I will have mine melted, but I'm on a time schedule, y'all, and I gotta go, okay? So melting it down with your melt band definitely will melt your hairline into your forehead more. So that's something I just do later on. Let me tell y'all something that I really do like when it comes to these braided wigs. The fact that they never get old. You're always going to have fresh parts, fresh braids, a fresh style every single day. Versus if you went and got your natural hair braided at the braid shop. Come on, ring. Every time. Versus like if you went to the braid shop and got your hair actually braided down. You know, you're gonna have new growth, they're gonna get raggedy looking, then it's time to just take them down. With these wigs, you don't have to worry about that because it's always fresh. It's just always gonna be fresh. Your parts is always gonna be nice and crispy. The style is always just gonna look fresh. It's just gonna look fresh. I'm telling y'all, the shelf life of these are bomb as heck. Bomb as heck. This is my first braided wig review for 2024, but in 2023 I was busting them out, a whole bunch of different styles and everything, and all of them are still holding up very well. So that's the expectation I do have for this one. I reviewed a boho braided wig on this channel before, and one thing I want to say just in comparison to this one, because it's something I just noticed straight out the packaging, is that this one doesn't seem to tangle as much as the last one did. I don't know, it's something with the fibers in it, or it could just be too that the braid on this one is a little chunkier. So because it's chunkier, it's bigger braids, and it's maybe less, in a sense, hairs on this one that's hanging out. I think the last one that I did, the actual braid was smaller than this, so you had more braids on your head. But that one did tangle. It did tangle, but it's synthetic hair. This is going to tangle too, because it's just curly synthetic hair. But I am noticing that this one in particular it doesn't get caught up as much as the other one that I did review. So I do like that. So y'all can do as you wish with that. Y'all, this is very lightweight. It's 36 inches. I am 5'6". Y'all, I thought I was 5'7". So in my other videos, especially from last year, if I was telling y'all my height, yeah, I'm actually 5'6". I thought I was 5'7". But it hits right at the butt. It stops right at the butt. So yeah, a really, really nice length. Y'all can do a bunch of styles with this as if it was in your own head. So you could flip them over to the side. You could put it in ponytails and top knots. This one does have the baby hairs in the back. I showed y'all that when I was installing it. Am I blurry? Y'all know I like my tubes, the dreadlock tubes. I do like wearing these, just like when you're doing like up styles and stuff like that. But I do like these for when you're doing like ponytails and buns and stuff like that. Those are really a nice, cute little look. I really think you guys will like this unit. Oh, yeah, I just got a new hat from Temu. Something about these boho pieces is making me want to try this particular hat on. So this the hat right here. I want to just, hold on y'all. I just want to try this on. Do this have like a back? Probably not. Because I just feel like it's so cute. It's something about the crochet and the boho. Like it just look like they just go together. Yeah, they just go together. I like this. So cute. Oh y'all, and I told y'all the price point is $150. The company right now, if you were to order right now, meaning when I posted this, but still just double check because I don't know how long they're going to extend it. But if you're watching this right now, the company has put a $10 coupon off on Amazon right up under the price. So click that box so that when you go to checkout, it'll take $10 off. So instead of getting it for $150, you could get it for $140. And yeah, we are loving a deal and some savings. So y'all be sure to check that out. Yeah, all the links and everything you'll need will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like this video, thumbs it up so that other girls can see what they have to offer. Thumbs this video up because that helps push the video out so that other girls can see what's up when it comes to these braided wigs. I want to thank what did I say? Zurffiy. I'm gonna still put it on the screen, but I want to thank them so much for sponsoring today's video, for sending this over so that the girls can see what y'all have to offer. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.